Hey there, fellow adventurers. If you're a solo traveler like me, you'll know that eating out every day can quickly drain your budget. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm sharing my top tips on grocery shopping while traveling solo to save money, eat well, and truly experience local culture. Stick around and you'll learn how to plan, shop smart, and store your groceries efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, planning and preparation. Before you even step foot in a grocery store, do some research. Use online resources like Google Maps, Yelp, and local travel blogs to find grocery stores near your accommodation. It's always good to know your options. Next, consider meal planning. Create a simple meal plan for your trip. This helps you avoid impulsive purchases and ensures you have everything you need for nutritious meals. Also, pack some essential tools like a reusable bag, a small cooler bag for perishables, and a small knife. Trust me, these will come in handy. Now let's talk about in-store strategies. When you arrive, navigate the store efficiently. Use a grocery list and stick to it. Focus on the perimeter of the store where you'll find fresh produce, dairy, and meats. Speaking of produce, choose in-season fruits and vegetables. They're cheaper and taste better. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Engage with the store staff for local recommendations or assistance with language barriers. You'll often find hidden gems and learn more about the local culture this way. Prioritize fresh foods like fruits, vegetables, and local produce for healthy and affordable meals. Alright, now for some smart shopping techniques. If you're on an extended trip or can share with fellow travelers, buying in bulk can save you a lot of money. Look for deals and discounts like loyalty programs, coupons, and weekly specials. And consider food subscription services. They can be convenient and affordable, especially for longer stays. Once you've got your groceries, it's time to think about storage and consumption. If you're staying in a hotel, use the mini fridge and pack some reusable containers for leftovers. For cooking, stick to simple, adaptable meal ideas. Think salads, sandwiches, and one-pot meals, easy to prepare and delicious. And finally, let's talk about waste reduction. Be mindful of your portions to avoid food waste. If you have excess food, explore local food donation initiatives. It's a great way to give back to the community and reduce waste. So there you have it, my top tips for grocery shopping while traveling solo. By following these strategies, you'll save money, eat well, and experience the local culture in a whole new way. Happy travels and happy shopping. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips.